Hello guys and welcome back to another trade analysis video. So in this video I will be breaking down two of my trades which I took in the last 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, and how it helped me generate over 20% in returns on my capital. One trade is this and one trade is this. Both of these trades have been uploaded on my Telegram. If you can see this thing here, gold buy above gold buy above 2796.85, and the second trade plan changed. Then I came on YouTube, live on YouTube, and then the top trade was executed. If you can see the clip from the live stream, here you go. Plan is intact. We will Our plan is also intact now because oh sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So more like this will be our move. So this was the plan I gave on YouTube, and the market exactly behaved as per the plan. So if I want to draw the trend line like this, pretty much the plan was as it is. If you want to have a detailed video, detailed reasoning behind that trade, you can for sure watch the YouTube video, but I will also be explaining in this video about the reason behind the trade. So first, on the Sunday's gold analysis video, what did I say? I was expecting this head and shoulder to be broken, liquidity being grabbed, and then giving an up move, right? So what I was expecting is this retest was there, and then I expected this to come here and then break, so I could enter here. But what market chose to do is it gave a straight break, it formed an M pattern here after the break. Okay, now you may ask, this was a halt after breakout and it was a straight break. Why did I not go for the sell side? The reason for not going in sell side was the trend. If I zoom out this chart, you will get a clearer view. See this. What is the trend? The trend is pretty much bullish, right? And it has tapped and immediately reversed. It did not time pass at the 0.5 to 0.6 zone, right? So the trend is pretty much bullish, and the sellers have been liquidated in the market. So you would ideally want to be with the trend so that you could capture big moves, uh, right? So if we can, see, the reason is it gave a straight break, fine. It formed an M pattern, very good. It broke it. Okay, sellers activated. What happened was it formed a doji then. Doji is the epitome of a fake out. So you will know it is a fake out when the doji is formed after a breakdown or a breakout. It is a doji can help you identify a fake out. So you would ideally want to enter above the high of the doji, and back when the market comes back into the zone. And this was my entry actually. I had 0.03 lot size for the trade. So by the time I went on averaging it at the upside, it went by average went here, but the trade was actually here above at this point 2797. If you can see here, 2796.85. So 2797 was my ideal buy entry, right? So if you want to see the proof of the trade, here you go. Yeah, this one, these three. See, open price 2796.9, 2799, and 2800. Now I will even explain why I did averaging, how I did averaging, and all. Okay, so just stay tuned and sit tight. Now, this was one of the entries. Okay, one lot, 0.01 lot entry. I was apprehensive of entering with full quantity at this point because it was a straight break and it was a straight back. So I was expecting somewhat like this before it went here. So I thought I will enter the remaining 0.02 lot, and at this point place this stop loss and then just ride the trend. But the market just chose straight to break. Okay, so my next plan was to enter at any pullback. Okay, not just at any pullback, it was a recent pullback. If you can see, one, huh, invite setup, 1 2 3. So it is coming back, and multiple times at the same level, and this is also an M pattern. So yeah, guys, this is the obvious trap by the market to capture you. I mean, to invite the sellers, right? So if you see my second add-on, okay, this was the point at which I entered. Okay, I used a 5-minute time frame for planning my second entry. Okay, so here, if you see, this structure broke here. Structure broke here, right? If I were to mark the fair value gap, it was somewhere like this, right? So I marked my second lot at this point, 279, at the lower end of this, like somewhere here. Okay, so my second lot was second quantity, second add-on was at this zone, here. And the reason for me to go enter the third add-on confidently was because it was an invite horizontal level. This was one breakdown and halt. See this halt. So I was very confident, and I put in the third add-on here at this point. So one here, second here, and third here. So this was the systematic averaging that I did, and since this was too high, I booked this one quantity out here, because this was a very big liquidity zone. If you can see this is a very big liquidity zone, right? So I was not very confident, and I took out one add-on here, and the second add-on was booked at this resistance. This resistance was here, the round number 2810. So I booked the second quantity there, and then for the third I thought I will hold it till the all-time high. Okay, and my confidence was based by this. It started halting at the resistance again. So I was well confirmed that it will give a break for sure, but I did not know it will go till the all-time high, and I was not having the patience as well, because I never traded with 0.03 lot, and looking at such big profits, my mind was totally blank. Of course, $30 is not a very big deal, but for someone like me who've been trading in only 0.01 lot, and I've seen a maximum of $15 gain. So looking at $32 of gain is something, not really uh, practical for me. I mean, I was just imagining. So I took out the quantity immediately at the breakout, and if I had held, it would have been a very big trade. Then moving on to the second trade, as given on the live stream. The reason is pretty much simple. Trend is bullish. Okay, 1 2 M pattern, retest, breakout again at the trend line, pull back, halt below this horizontal level. Simple way of entering for me. Simple setups work in trading. So I entered at this cross, and one pullback again I entered here, and boom, it gave me a very big trade here. It was a freaking big trade. I was not holding it because yesterday I had got a good gain, and this was also a good gain for me in 0.02 lot, about 130 140 pips. Um, it's again a very big gain for me. So, an all-time high. The most important of all, it was an all-time high. So liquidity could have grabbed any time and then boom, anything could have happened. I was not sure. So the reason for my selling was pretty much this. But I realized looking at the trend, it is just going and going and going. If you see, one more setup of ours is formed here. That is the head and shoulder trap. Fake up. Yeah, I would have entered one lot here, or I mean 0.01 here. Then maybe this pullback one more with this tight stop loss. But I was not trading today because 2 days continuous gain, and it is important to keep your psychology in control. You don't want greed to take over you, right? And then it's a good trade again, or to the all-time high. Remember guys, if you are capturing any trade at an M pattern trap or a head and shoulder trap or something like that, you will always have a very big trade. And a halt before reversal, that is the best you can do to the system, trading system. That is pretty much the best of the best setups you will get. That one and M pattern trap. So that is the biggest trade setups that will give you the huge captures with a very small stop loss. That is the most important. So if you see, the risk reward for me here is 1:3, and here was 1:4 almost. But you know what my risk was for this trade? Because I kept on averaging, I even reduced my stop loss. So at no point was my risk in the first trade above $6. So with $6, I captured about $32, which is 1:5. And for this trade, the risk was around $7. I captured $28. 28, yeah, 28. That is around 1:4, right? So that is the kind of potential we're talking about with the setups, right? So that is it for the trade. If you wanna understand more, want my trade updates, you can definitely consider joining Telegram. The link will be in the description. And for Exness platform where you want to trade, the link will also be in the description. And that is it for the video. You can definitely consider joining the live stream because I come live only when I see a potential setup, right? I come live when I see a potential setup, and I will wait for at least a period of about 1.5 hours. And if that setup is not formed, I will just keep an alert, let you guys keep you guys informed, and then take your leave. But until then, I will all be with you. Okay, so that is it for the video. All the very best and have a profitable journey. Yeah, thank you.